a data artist can take a lot more liberties with colors, representations, layouts, things like that, that they might find that they may not be able to do or may not be allowed to do in other schools.
Live from Chicago, Nick Rougeux. He has some French stock in him, because he originates from France many, many centuries ago. He's a data artist. He has a fantastic blog, well-known also. Nick, what is a data artist and what is the difference between a data scientist and a data artist?
Man, starting off with the easy questions, huh? Oh, boy. I think it's open to interpretation. But my interpretation is a data scientist, what I like to think about is that a data scientist tries to inform others with what they research and what they create, whereas I like to think of a data artist as evoking emotion from things they create. So not necessarily geared towards informing, but more sparking something that may not have been there before. And if you get something out of it, great. If not, that's okay too. But it's more interpretation and emotional than anything. That's just my opinion.
Don't you think there is also kind of an aesthetic addition to the way data scientist works in the data artist world?
Oh, absolutely. I think a data artist probably has a lot more freedom to interpret things in unique ways that aren't geared towards figuring out, what's the biggest number on the screen or the longest bar on the screen. Whereas a data scientist probably is tasked with actually, figuring out what are the insights that people can get from this particular set of data. And so a data artist can take a lot more liberties with colors, representations, layouts, things like that, that they might find that they may not be able to do or may not be allowed to do in other schools.
So if you want to pimp your dashboards, please get in touch with Nick Rougeux and he will be very pleased to help you out.
Absolutely.